The Oscars are coming to town. The red carpet has been rolled out, the statues polished, even the envelopes have been
Good morning, great Satan of America. How are you? I am fine, thank you. I am outraged at being banned from the Oscars by the Academy of Motion Pictures, Arts and Zionists. While I applaud the Academy for taking away my right to free speech, I warn you that if you do not lift your sanctions and give me my tickets back by 12 p.m. on Sunday, you will face unimaginable consequences!
Yes, Sacha Baron Cohen, Supreme Wadian leader Admiral General Aladeen, isn't happy at not being allowed to go to the Oscars.
Furthermore, it is an act of aggression that no Wadian films have been recognized by the Academy. Where are the nominations for such classic films as When Harry Kidnapped Sally, You've Got Mail Bomb? On top of all of this, I paid Hilary Swank $2 million to be my date, and she will not refund a penny. My Sunday calendar is now as empty as a North Korean grocery store. Death to the West, death to America, and good luck, Billy Crystals. You're fantastic.
They say they don't want the red carpet turned into a publicity stunt.